Hey, today I'm going to go over a real quick. I had a client, actually a banker client, reach out and they're looking at a project. Do they want to finance or not? And they were asking me about what's going on at Carolina Beach, Kure Beach, and I've been watching these trends, and we're seeing some things shift around quite a bit at the beaches now. We're seeing things certainly have peaked and come down and continuing that way. So I thought what I would do is just kind of share this because I sent it over to my friend there that needed that information. I've sent it out to a couple of our current clients that are thinking about putting their house on the market or have their house on the market down there. But I thought I would share that this information with you because you have a property, you may have a property down at the beach or expressed interest in the beach. And I thought I would just share it with everybody so they kind of know what's going on, just to have good information. Certainly the sky is not falling or anything like that, but there's no question that the shift in this thing has happened. And it's happening nationwide. Again, it's not dropping off crazy, but it is happening by price range now. So I ran some reports over 500 at Carolina and Kure Beach, which has been absolutely on fire for the last 18 months. It's still busy for under 500, and still nice properties that are priced well above 5 are selling quicker than certainly normal, but not the rapid pace that we've seen. So you can see closed sales. This right here is about April, the peak. April is the peak in our market. In April, May is the peak nationwide, what we're seeing with all the data that's coming in now. Even the national trade magazines, real estate trade magazines are finally saying, okay, the crazy days are a bit over. And you may have a crazy situation in your world, but aggregately it's over. And we're going to see some significant shifts ahead with the overall economic outlook that is not good for our country. So anyway, I want to point this out so you can see that this is the closed sales, and this is when things close. But keep in mind, sometimes that is 30, 60 more days later than when the actual purchase was made. So we see both. Kure Beach is the red line down here. Carolina Beach is the blue line. And so you can see right here the number of closed sales is already dipping in both areas. And this has been trending since April, and it's getting steeper now. And then I'm going to click over to contracts, because contracts is kind of the real, this is really where you find out where the tip of the spear is in the market and where it's at. And you can see back here, it actually, a little before April, it started dipping, and now it's really dipping. I mean, it's down significantly from its peak. Here, same thing. Kure Beach is a little different because there's not that many properties, so you're not going to see the trends as well there, but it's definitely showing it. And then price. And of course, if you're selling, this is what you're concerned about, and if you're buying, this is what you're concerned about. So we're seeing prices come down now. It's lagging. You started in May and June, but we are seeing the average prices come down. And down here in Carolina Beach, you're seeing it flatten out. There's a lot more sales, so it's going to, like I said, you're not going to see it's going to be more of a trend line. So, but definitely flattened out from what it was. Now, still, from where we started pre-pandemic, it is an amazing climb for homeowners here. And folks that had property, if you've got property literally that you bought, I guess, 18 months ago, as early as 18 months ago, you've done extremely, extremely well. If you would like to see more information like this or have a conversation about a property you have on Pleasure Island or any of the areas, let us know because we do think there's still opportunity to do extremely well in this market. And it may not be the crazy pace of what we've seen and seen some of the crazy things, but it's still so much better than it's likely to be come this time, the end of the year, this time next year. So again, sky's not falling. We'll get through it. But just, if you're thinking about selling, you may want to do something because you've already missed the absolute peak. And anyway, just thought I'd share this information. Have a great day. And if we can help in any way, please let us know. Thanks.